My name is Jason Dyer. I'm a pipe fitter apprentice out of Local 598, and I work at Apollo Mechanical. So some of the work that I do here, just being a fitter, is I actually take spool drawings and then I will tack those spool drawings together. And so I'm verifying measurements, I'm verifying pipe lengths, even fitting measurements. And my job here at the fab shop is to make sure that when it goes to the welder, everything is good. It's really, we can still cut through welds. It's a lot easier to cut through small tacks than it is welds, so it needs to be spot on. The typical day of an apprentice here at the fab shop is we start at 6 a.m. so we'll do some stretch and flex, make sure none of us that we're warmed up, none of us get hurt. Usually the job or the shop foreman will give us kind of, if there's any hot jobs, anything that is pertinent and needs to get done right away. And then I will meet with the journeyman welder that I'm fitting for. And so then he and I, depending on what was given to us by the foreman, will figure out a plan of attack as to how we'll go about getting that done. I've been an apprentice for about 1.5 years. The program is about 5 years. Then I turn out, as they call it, so I become a journeyman. I mean, I'm no longer going to school and I'm making my full wage. Some of the benefits with the apprenticeship and I guess the style of training that they utilize is there is a really good mixture of classroom to on-the-job training. And so it's not something that I learn something and then 3 months later I might get a chance to use it once. It's, I have class Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday, I'm already utilizing that new skill set. And so within a couple of weeks, I mean, you're very proficient. The biggest benefit is while you're learning, you are working and making money. And so as you're working your way through the program each year, you're getting pay raises incrementally as you work through the program. So, I mean, you potentially get done with the apprenticeship with 0 debt and a really good job. The most common skill sets with a job like this, attention to detail. You've got to have a good work ethic. You definitely have to be a team player. A lot of geometry, a lot of trigonometry. The math itself is not too bad. You have calculators and you have a lot of support with journeymen that are out there that have been doing this job for quite a while. So, although you do need to learn, there are some skills you'll need to learn with math, you get to apply it right away on the job, which is, I mean, there's no real better way to learn than to learn it in the classroom than immediately apply it out in the field. Once you turn out as a journeyman, you can take this anywhere. So it's not something that's isolated to just the Tri-Cities or Washington. You can go anywhere with this, which I think opens up a lot of avenues for a lot of people. There are also a lot of different avenues within this industry. I mean, all the way from CAD, job site foreman, project management. I mean, there are a lot of different avenues. So, if you're passionate about, maybe computers, things like that, and you don't mind getting your hands dirty as well, I mean, this incorporates all of that. So. I thoroughly enjoy the work I do. So the guys I work with, at 598, they're just a great group of guys and gals. Everyone looks out for one another. I know personally here at the shop, I don't think there's been a time that I had a question that someone wasn't willing to step up and answer it for me. So I really, really enjoy it.